7 formats that you should be using it. And each post can be converted into reels. Reels can be converted into stories. So multiple stories, multiple format, you can create all the stuff. Okay, so you from one piece of content you can post into 5 or 6 or 7 ways. Okay. Formats on Instagram, there are 7 formats. Okay, there are 7 formats where you can post. First is your feed post. Okay, these are feed posts, directly post like Facebook. Then there is a carousels. Carousels are like the horizontal images that you have. These are carousels. Then you have stories, which vanishes after 24 hours. Then you have story highlights. Story highlights, you add those stories in your story highlights. I will show you in the profile. Then you have reels, correct? Then you have live videos, you can go live. And the 7 is you can have IG guide, which is a like collection of some of the reels, some of the videos put together. So these are the 7 format that you should be aware of. Carousel is horizontal photo that you get right in your mobile. So mobile is like vertically you are scrolling, and then you find some images which can be scrolled horizontally. Those are the carousels. Okay, here if you go to the profile, these are the story highlights. Okay, these are posts, these are reels, correct? And when you create something which you want to create, so here you can post, you can live videos, and you can put a ad. When you start posting, it will ask you whether it is real or whether it is something, and you can do stuff. So these are 7 formats that you should be using it. And each post can be converted into reels. Reels can be converted into stories. So multiple stories, multiple format, you can create all the stuff. Okay, so you from one piece of content you can post into 5 or 6 or 7 ways. Okay, please do that, because this is what we have found is very powerful. Because some people will see stories only, some people will see feeds only, some people will see reels. So I have to give it to the all, so that more number of views are there. Now Instagram is very powerful only for the single reason is the distribution power it has. The wide distribution power it has is highest. So the wider you go, more number of people that you can influence. That is the power. So in the short format content, the distribution is there. So you will not find maybe the very ideal follower for your profile, but you will be able to reach as many people as want. Okay, that is how people use Instagram to drive their YouTube growth. YouTube subscribers are much more loyal to you because they are seeing you on a longer format content. Okay, so when it's longer format, they are more loyal to you. But having a wider reach in Instagram is important to drive your YouTube. So both are connected together.